Hi there, this is a screencast to show you how to change the Windows 7 Starter wallpaper background. Windows 7 Starter doesn't allow you to change the background for one reason or another, so I'm going to show you how to install and run the Serious Samurai's application. You can download Serious Samurai's from samurais.com. Unfortunately, samurais.com is down at the moment. I don't know why, but you can download the application from samurais.us, samurize.us. This will go to their forums, and there's a link at the bottom for the final released version of Samurais. Go ahead and download that and follow the prompts to install it. Once you've done that, you should have in all programs Serious Samurai's. You should have a config tool, Samurai's client, and a server. Go ahead and click on the config tool. Config tool I've already got open up here. You need to create a new config. This black area represents your background desktop. Click on Edit Graphics, Add Background Object, Add Image. You need to then drag this box to the sides so it covers the entire black area, and down to the bottom. There we go. Click on the Browse button here next to the image file name and select the image you want to use for your wallpaper. Now, I would suggest and recommend that you pre-format any image you want to use to be the same size as your wallpaper and your monitor. So it's 1024 by 600 for most netbooks. Use Photoshop or Paint.net or whatever you want to use to resize that. So I'm going to go ahead, let's use this image, click open. Okay, there we go. So the wallpaper, let's just drag that to the edge. There we go. So there's the wallpaper on the back, and that's all we need to do. So save the config file. It's best to place it into the Samurai's config directory because the client will actually automatically look into this directory. So let's just label it. There we go. Save the file. I'll just minimize that. That's all we need to do in the config tool. You then go in all programs, Serious Samurai's, and run the Samurai's client tool. Okay, so once you've clicked on that, mine's obviously already running. You'll get this icon. Right click, select config file, and there's the new config file that we've just saved in the config directory. Select that, and the wallpaper should change. If you want this to run on startup, make sure you click run on startup there, and the background will always come up just as a normal background. The other thing that you might want to see is my system profile. So you can see there I'm running Windows 7 Starter, and it's on an HP Mini 110. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what Samurai's can do. You can embed, using the config tool, you can embed text files, lots of different types of meters, so CPU meters, lots and lots of different things. So just adding a small little background image is nothing. I like this, adding a text file, so you can add like a to-do list directly onto the background wallpaper. It's very handy because once you save the file, it'll automatically update your background. So it's quite a powerful package. So that's it for my first screencast. Hopefully you found this useful, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Cheers.